Have you ever heard of fast fashion? Fast fashion is cheap, trendy clothing that is worn only a few times and then thrown away. It is an example of how people and companies cause damage to the planet and hurt workers. Sustainable Development Goal 12 is about changing the way we make and buy things to reduce waste and protect people and the environment. In the past, people used things much longer and fixed them if they broke. Companies designed products so that individual parts could be replaced. Now, things are made differently and it is not often possible to fix them. Here are some small things that everyone can do to help achieve SDG 12. Don't throw away clothes. If they are damaged, fix them. If they are too small, give them to someone else. Before you buy something, check that it can be repaired if it breaks. Buy things that are well made. They will last much longer and are better for the planet.